Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. In this video, are we unfolding the next PEPE alternative, the next meme coin that could do a 2 to 100x out here in the crypto space? Well, we're gonna have a little look at it because, I was doing some research on other meme coins out here in the crypto space. And for example, we've got Hoppy, which is on screen right now. You can see Hoppy over here is indeed a PEPE alternative. It's got that frog factor about it. But then you got another one also called PEPU, which is a big trending coin at the moment, and it's also another PEPE alternative. It rose up to $135 million market cap. Hoppy sits at $46 million market cap, and of course these are all trying to, spearhead and become like the OG PEPE, which sits at a whopping $5 billion. But you can see how all the branding here is very similar between Hoppy, PEPU, and also PEPE itself. And what we're seeing now is a new ecosystem called PEPE Unchained, which again is quite similar with its branding, its angle, its alternative style. So this is about PEPE Unchained over here, which has just basically gone up in price again as they raised $4.3 million over here, guys. So PEPU is the token ticker. It's worth 0.0085277 per token, and the price will be going up very, very soon in just 1 day, 12 hours over here, ladies and gents. It says instant bridging between ETH and PEPE chain. It's got its own dedicated block explorer. It's going to be very fast as a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, meme coins. What I also really like about this ecosystem is they have 435% per annum on the staking rewards, which is huge. That means every Ethereum block you will obtain 608.82 PEPE or PEPU Unchained tokens per Ethereum block, which is really, really wild to see as well. From a tokenomics point of view, there are 8 billion tokens. 20% of these are sold within the pre-sale itself. Now we know pre-sales are high risk, high reward, but some of them can rip 2 to 100x quantities, and it's been seen in the past. It's been done in the past, and it is speculation, of course. So you can buy this with BNB or on the ERC20 network by connecting your MetaMask wallet into the website, as you can see, and you swap either Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired amount of PEPU tokens. So yeah, really a hot topic right here. You can also see PEPE rises over 30% in a week as PEPE Unchained raises 4 million in ICO. Even sites like Cointelegraph are picking up on this now. So you can see PEPE coin rallies 34%, and as we go down, we can see PEPE Unchained raises millions for new meme coin layer 2 network. While established meme coins are rebounding, newcomer PEPE Unchained is entering the market with a fresh approach. So there's a lot to be excited for here. So it could potentially go up quite a lot higher in price. PEPE Unchained recently raised $4 million, which means they've got a huge amount of cash flow now to make big things happen. But of course, they're raising to make the project as good as possible. Their Twitter is growing as well, up to 7.8k followers. So the community is hopefully going to be there. The culture is growing, and overall the brand is growing, which could help for a huge launch when it does happen. So yeah, there's a link down below if you want to have a look at PEPE Unchained. It's definitely a good looking coin, and it could rise to the likes of PEPE and Hoppy, launching at a low market cap, which could lead it to going to $50 million market cap or $100 million market cap or even 150. It could be a new top 20 meme coin out there in the cryptocurrency space. So let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon, and bye for now.